Alright guys, this is Moshas again, coming to you from the Moshas Reggae Lounge at a new location. If you guys remember, we had two people from Canada that chased me down like Usain Bolt, and they wanted to try my jerk, but they couldn't wait. So now, on their way out, they decided to get some. And we're gonna start with the beautiful young lady. Now, how did you like it?
It's fabulous.
Was it what you expected?
Even better.
Oh my God, you hear that? Now, the handsome gentleman said he heard it's written that it's the best jerk. What did you say it was?
The best Jamaican food in the entire Caribbean.
Now, did that live up to the standard that you tasted?
Absolutely.
Wow, guys, so you hear that? What's your name again, brother?
Dave.
Dave and?
Danny.
Dave and Danny, they have managed to taste it. They get the jerk chicken, rice and peas, plantain, cabbage, and look at them tearing
And
that up.
all of it is great.
Look at that.
Every piece of it is fantastic.
Yeah, so guys, thank you, and God bless you. Have a safe trip home. Thank you for stopping in. Guys, remember what I said. If you can't say something good about somebody, don't say nothing.
You
Keep
got
your mouth
that right.
shut.
I agree.
And this is Merv. He's
Marv.
new.
Yep.
Marv. He's
Wisconsin,
new.
USA.
Wisconsin, USA. I got my new customer here. If you can't say anything good, don't say anything. Even a fool is considered wise when he keeps his mouth shut. One more thing. Don't follow the crowd. Be like the eagle. You find them one at a time and they don't flock together. Boom shop, Mosha out.